To use voice access on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first we need to go to Settings. In Settings, we need to scroll all the way down and choose Accessibility. And then we need to go to Interaction and Dexterity. Here we will find Voice Access, and we can simply turn it on. Here we need to grant full control to voice access so that by using our voice, we can actually navigate on our phone without any issues. So we're gonna press Allow. Then we need to press Agree. One more time. Allow notifications. And then we have the Start Listening button. So this might be useful to enable so that we have this button that we can press in order to activate the voice access and deactivate when we don't want to use it anymore. So press Done. Over here we have a small tutorial, and here we have the listening preference, so we can listen for commands whenever the screen is on, which is recommended, or we can stop listening after 30 seconds of inactivity. Press Continue. We need to allow to record audio. Then we have some basics that you can of course go through in order to find out how to actually use it properly. Over here we also have type and edit text that we can use. Let's press Continue. So feel free to go through these in order to properly learn how to fully use it. So we can start now using the voice access by pressing this button, and there are some example voice commands over here that we can use. So let's say if I want to jump to the home screen, I can enable voice access and say go home. So let's take a look. Go home. And there we go. As you can see, this is how it works. We can also go to notifications in order to tap on the voice access notification in order to pause it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.